Hello everybody. Today we're gonna make mujadara. It's Middle East food. We need for this half cup of lentil brown, 1 cup of rice and onion. First we wash the lentil and the rice, normal wash, and we go to first step. In this step we put in the fire 2 cup of hot water, and we put the lentil and we leave it exactly for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes we open, we will put the rice and we put half small spoon of salt, half small spoon cumin, and we mix it. We leave it for 20 minutes. And this time we'll make the onion. For the onion we put little oil, and we put the onion, we put little salt, and we mix it till we get the brown color. After 20 minutes our food's cooking. Hope everybody like it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.